So the first couple hundred miles will get you over the three Sky Islands, Miller, Manning, and the Catalinas. Then you've got pretty clear sailing. So just to give you some perspective, I'm in the middle of the Las grasslands north of the border, and that would be your first Sky Island right there, Miller Peak area. And then the trail goes over that, takes a big dogleg west to Patagonia, which is just over the horizon there, just below Mount Wrightsum, which is there, but you don't go over Wrightsum, you go just on the east side of it at the base in grasslands just like this and scrub. And then you just follow it kind of north and a little east until you cross I-10 north of us here. And then you hit the next Sky Island, which would be kind of that saddle over there at Manning Park. So this is the trailhead on the feeder trail. It's actually the old Arizona trail that comes out on Hershaw Road. And then it's just a mining road. It is paved. You walk just under 3 miles to the post office. So you're about 50 minutes from the post office once you hit this trail in Patagonia. So this is the junction of the Arizona Trail, and the old trail goes off this way to Harshaw Road in Patagonia. So if you want to walk into Patagonia from the southeast on Harshaw Road, it's about an hour and a half hike, mostly downhill, to Harshaw Road, and then again another almost 3 miles into town. Or you stay on the new leg of the Arizona Trail, and this will take you out at Highway 82, and then it's a 4-mile hitch into town, or walk, depending on what you want to do. But don't miss Patagonia. It's a funky little town. So Patagonia is a great little resupply town. It's got natural food store. You can have Velvet Elvis pizza. It looks like a Mission, but it's a pizza shop. Here's my favorite, the Gathering Grounds. If you want a great breakfast, if you get in there, don't miss the Gathering Grounds. That's my cafe of choice. If you want a room, Stage Stop Inn is there. Post office right on Hershaw Road, first thing you hit coming into town. There's a market. It has quite a bit of selection. It's right on the main drag, right on 82. You probably won't need gas, but there is the Pig's gas station, politically incorrect gas station across from the market. And again, you know, the market has quite a bit of supplies. It does have gas canisters. It's got dairy products. You know, it's got the basic staples that anybody on the fly is probably going to be looking for. And this is not the lumber company. This is beer, wine, coffee, food trucks. Kind of a cool place. These are Arizona moose, which are quite common along the Arizona Trail. These guys are a bit more rare, but in the first 50, 60 miles, they'll pop up every once in a while, so keep an eye open for them. Also, near the border, you're going to see things like the elegant Trogon, which pretty much hangs around just near the border. Black Hawk, I took the picture of these two guys 100 feet apart, so they must get along, I assume. Mountain bluebirds, keep your eyes open.